It's my solo Rockstar experience on Virgin Voyages, and we're in Bimini today, where I was to experience the beach club as a rockstar. But the weather is not cooperating, and we're left to other onboard experiences, and I will miss one of the reasons I bought this expensive experience, going to the Rockstar quarters at the beach club. Or will I?
This is the captain speaking from the navigation bridge with an update regarding our call to Bimini. And the port is currently gusting above 35 knots and we're forecasted to remain at that level throughout the day. After reviewing all the latest forecasts and consulting with the marine pilot here in Bimini, we've made a decision to cancel today's port of call. The safety of our ship, our crew and each and every one of you will always come first, and I trust that you agree that this is the right decision. We will now enjoy a full day at sea. Our hotel and entertainment teams are already putting together an alternative program and make the day as enjoyable as possible. Once again, I apologize for this change. It's a decision I do not take lightly. Unfortunately, the weather is out of our control and these conditions simply do not allow for a safe maneuver into port today.
All right, so yes, as you just heard, Bimini is canceled for today. So I won't get a chance to go to the Rockstar area for the beach club. So that's the way it goes sometimes. It was canceled due to weather, due to high winds. So that's why they canceled it. And I mean, that's the nature of cruising. Sometimes the weather conditions prevent the captain from porting on a certain day in a certain area. And yes, the best thing is safety. So I am not upset about that. I didn't buy anything extra, so there's no refunds needed for me. So right now, I had intended to go to the spa today anyway. I just haven't booked my 3-hour window. So I'm about to go down there now to before the crowd rushes down there, because now it is a sea day and it's going to be interesting to see if they charge the sea day price rather than the port day price. But so we're going to try to go down there now to beat the crowd and see if we can get a 3-hour window.
But before I do, check this feature out.
Now, Virgin does have one of the best showers ever, but here's what I love about this shower. If you turn the wand around, you can have it shooting out so it feels like a spa shower. So I have the wand shooting out here, the rainfall coming down, so I'm standing here and I have this hitting me in the back. Well, for me, the wand hits me in the back with the rain shower coming down. I mean, I could just stand in this spot forever.
Now, this reminded me of the Aqua Class shower on Celebrity and felt like the ultimate spa shower experience. Hey, are you enjoying this content so far? If you are, I hope that you will like this video and subscribe to the channel so that I'll know to create more content like this. I headed to Lucky Lotus, which is Razzle Dazzle, for brunch. I always love their brunch menu, and I want to try something for wellness.
All right, so we just came into Razzle Dazzle for brunch. We didn't have a reservation, but we could just walk right up and come on in. So about to get something for breakfast. Not sure what I want yet, so yeah. Now, if you like juices and smoothies, I do see a listing here for fresh squeezed juice, and they have different like juices. I see orange, carrot, and ginger. I love ginger. So there's lean and clean, chill pill, so different types of juices that you can get. All right, so I think I am going to try one of the smoothies. I'm going to get the I Can See Clearly Now. Then I'm going to get the wild mushroom frittata. I think I had that before. And of course, the bacon. Have to get the bacon.
I'm going to wait till I hear.
All right, and here's the cheese. So let's try this out. And also the frittata's here already. Go. And of course our bacon.
So the question is, what did I miss when our Bimini port stop was canceled? Is the Rockstar experience different? Well, let's see. Now, if you've been to Bimini Beach Club on Virgin Voyages, you probably already know that the Rockstars have their own golf carts with little to no wait time, both going and coming back to the ship. And walking in, the first thing you notice is the variety of comfortable seating.
So this is the Rockstar area.
There's a deck with cushioned chairs, sofas, dining tables, hammocks, and other areas.
And I don't know, maybe this is a changing area. They got hammocks over here. Seating area, plenty of seating around. So, and this is the bar and dining area for the Rockstars.
Now, they do have their own restaurant area for table service, but the food is the same and is sourced from the same location as the rest of the beach club. Rockstars can order what they want, and the servers will go get their orders and bring it to them. Also, there's no separation of Rockstars and Mega Rockstars here. Everything is first come, first served. Being on the far end, this space seems quieter, calmer, and more serene than the beach party side of the beach club. Now, that's great if that's what you're looking for, or if you want to have the option to do both.
And this is the beach area and cabanas down here. Now, these cabanas you do have to rent.
There are various cabanas you can rent, and on our 4-day sailing, they were up to $1,000 for the day. A few cabanas were down the way from the dining pavilion. And if you're wondering what comes with one of these cabanas, here's what you get. Each Rockstar cabana is a private shaded space for up to about 6 guests, with comfortable lounge seating inside and additional chairs outside if you want to sit in the sun. And being located right here in the Rockstar area of the beach club, it tends to have a quieter, more relaxed vibe compared to the main pool party area. But is it worth it? Let's wait before we answer that question. Another perk is the dedicated food and drink service. Instead of leaving your spot to stand in line, a server will come directly to your cabana to take your order and bring everything to you. Many cabana bookings also include a bar credit, usually around $100, that can be used towards drinks throughout the day. Inside and around the cabana, you'll find extra seating, including chaise lounges and sometimes a beanbag or additional beach chairs, so there's plenty of room to stretch out and relax. Now, even without a cabana, everyone visiting the beach club at Bimini still gets access to a lot of great amenities. The lagoon-style pools, beach loungers and hammocks, the DJ and pool party areas, and food and drink venues throughout the property. For many Rockstar guests, the cabana really isn't about exclusivity. It's more about comfort and convenience. One of the Rockstar agents even told me that they often leave this area to go over to the party side. You get guaranteed shade, a home base for the day, waiter service, and space for your group, plus a quieter spot away from the main pool party, if that's more your vibe. One thing to know is that the Rockstar cabanas are limited, so they can sell out quickly. And if they don't all get booked by Rockstar Suite guests, they may sometimes open them up for other sailors as well.
Now, we know there's a party side, but this is the non-party side, but I'm sure you can hear the music over here. I'm going to come back up here later, but so this is the quiet side of the pool. So let's head down. I'm going to go down to the beach.
Now, if you're not staying in a Rockstar Suite, but you're still looking for a quieter spot, you can absolutely find that here at Bimini Beach Club. Just beyond the main pool, there are pockets where the energy shifts a bit. The music is damper, the crowds thin out, and it starts to feel a little more relaxed. From there, it's just an easy walk down to the beach, where things slow down even more. You'll find sunbeds where you can stretch out, listen to the waves, and just take a moment to enjoy the view. And honestly, that's exactly what I decided to do.
All right, so I'm choosing a spot here and a spot by the pool. But I have a class to do out here, so let me see if I can find where the class is.
When we started, there were only 2 of us out here on the sand. But once people realized it was a yoga session on the beach, others slowly started joining in. And honestly, it's easy to see why.
In this position, bring your right leg into your left. Reach for your toes and bring your forehead to your knee.
Moving through these stretches with the ocean breeze, the sound of the waves, and the morning sun coming up felt like the perfect wellness reset to start the day. One thing I've noticed is that when people talk about Virgin Voyages, the focus is usually on the party energy, the DJ, the pool scene, and the high energy vibe. But what many cruisers don't realize is that there's also a very peaceful side to the beach club at Bimini. You can find quiet corners, stretch out by the water, listen to the waves, and really slow down the day. For cruisers looking for more of a wellness-focused experience, moments like this can be just as memorable as the party. And if you'd like to experience it for yourself, hey, reach out to me at Cheryl@ElevateExperiences.com, and I can help you book your Virgin Voyages sailing and add exclusive perks that you won't receive from booking online.
And yes, that's how it would have went if I had gone to Bimini to the beach club on my Rockstar sailing.
Are you ready for your first or your next cruise and need assistance? Scan the QR code and let's work together to plan your customized cruise experience.